In the bustling world of modern work, where teams are increasingly diverse and projects are more complex than ever, effective collaboration and organization are no longer just nice-to-haves. They are essential for survival. This is where dedicated work management platforms step in, and Wrike is a notable player in this arena. As a project management expert, I often get asked about the specific utility of various tools. So, let's unpack a fundamental question. What is the purpose of Wrike? At its core, the primary purpose of Wrike is to streamline work, enhance collaboration, and provide clarity across projects and teams, ultimately driving efficiency and improving outcomes. It's designed to be a centralized hub where all aspects of work, from initial ideas to final delivery, can be managed, tracked, and communicated. Wrike aims to eliminate the chaos of disparate tools, endless email threads, and ambiguous responsibilities, bringing structure and transparency to complex operations. Think of Wrike as a sophisticated digital workspace that caters to the diverse needs of various teams within an organization. It's not just for traditional project managers. It's built to support marketing teams, creative agencies, product development teams, IT departments, and even HR, all working on their unique initiatives while staying connected within a larger organizational context. Let's delve deeper into the specific purposes Wrike serves. 1. Centralized work management and organization. One of Wrike's most fundamental purposes is to act as a single source of truth for all work-related information. This means task and project consolidation. Instead of tasks being scattered across spreadsheets, emails, and individual to-do lists, Wrike brings them all into one place. This allows everyone to see what needs to be done, who is responsible, and by when. Structured workflows. It enables the creation of custom workflows that reflect how your team actually works. This ensures consistency in processes, from initial request to final approval, reducing missteps and improving predictability. Information accessibility. All relevant documents, discussions, and decisions related to a task or project are housed within Wrike. This eliminates the time wasted searching for information and ensures that new team members can quickly get up to speed. 2. Enhanced collaboration and communication. Effective teamwork hinges on seamless communication. Wrike's purpose here is to facilitate this. Contextual communication. Discussions happen directly within tasks and projects, ensuring that conversations are always tied to the relevant piece of work. This eliminates the "what were we talking about" dilemma often seen in email chains. Real-time updates and notifications. Team members receive instant notifications about changes, comments, and task assignments, ensuring everyone stays informed without constant manual checking. Shared workspaces. Wrike allows for the creation of shared workspaces, enabling teams to collaborate on documents, review creative assets, and provide feedback directly within the platform. This is particularly valuable for creative and marketing teams needing approval cycles. 3. Visibility and transparency. A key challenge in project management is knowing the true status of work. Wrike aims to solve this by providing progress tracking. From simple percentage complete indicators to detailed time logs, Wrike offers various ways to track task and project progress. This allows project managers to identify bottlenecks early and intervene proactively. Customizable dashboards. Users can create personalized dashboards to visualize the metrics most important to them, whether it's their individual workload, overall project health, or team performance. This provides an at-a-glance overview of critical information. Reporting and analytics. Wrike's purpose includes offering robust reporting capabilities. This allows managers to generate reports on workload, budget adherence, project timelines, and team productivity, providing data-driven insights for continuous improvement. Resource management. It helps identify who is working on what, and critically, who is available. This prevents overallocation and helps in making informed decisions about task distribution, ensuring projects stay on track due to balanced workloads. 4. Streamlined planning and execution. For project managers, Wrike serves as a powerful ally in the entire project lifecycle. Project planning tools, from Gantt charts for dependency tracking and critical path analysis to Kanban boards for agile methodologies. Wrike provides diverse tools to plan projects in a way that suits your team's methodology. Workload management. It helps in distributing tasks efficiently among team members based on their capacity and availability, preventing burnout and ensuring equitable distribution of work. Risk management. Implicitly, by providing clear visibility and tracking, Wrike implicitly aids in risk management. Early identification of delayed tasks or resource bottlenecks allows for proactive mitigation before they escalate into major problems. Template creation. Wrike enables the creation of project and task templates. This is invaluable for repetitive projects, ensuring consistency, saving setup time, and allowing teams to scale their processes effectively. 5. Integration and ecosystem connectivity. Recognizing that no single tool can do everything, Wrike's purpose also extends to being a central hub that integrates with other essential business applications. Seamless data flow. It integrates with popular tools like Salesforce, Google Drive, Microsoft Teams, Adobe Creative Cloud, and many others. This ensures that data flows seamlessly between systems, reducing manual data entry and improving overall efficiency. Enhanced workflows. These integrations allow for more sophisticated workflows. For example, creating Wrike tasks directly from Salesforce opportunities or attaching files from cloud storage services. The ultimate goal: efficiency and success. In essence, the overarching purpose of Wrike is to eliminate the common pain points that plague modern work: disorganization, lack of clarity, communication silos, and inefficient processes. By providing a unified platform for planning, execution, collaboration, and reporting, Wrike aims to increase productivity by making work clearer and easier to track, improve accountability by assigning clear ownership to tasks, enhance transparency by providing real-time visibility into project status, foster better decision-making by offering data-driven insights, reduce stress for both project managers and team members by bringing order to chaos. For any individual or organization looking to bring structure to their projects, boost team collaboration, and gain a clearer understanding of their operational landscape, Wrike offers a comprehensive solution. It's more than just a task list. It's an operational backbone designed to make work flow more smoothly and effectively.